Hey guys, Andy here from Sweet Edition. So today I want to talk about having separate gas meters for your 2-unit house. Now, in most cases, when we work on projects where we're converting a single family home to a 2-unit, we don't actually have two separate gas meters. We usually have one gas meter, and we use that for a system that services the whole house. And even if they're adding a separate system, a lot of times we'll just have one gas meter. In this case, because it's a brand new built house, and we're putting these purpose-built second suites, we decided to put in a second gas meter just to ensure that makes things a little bit easier, so that the tenants can have their own accounts with Enbridge or your local gas company. And it's not something that's 100% necessary. We felt that it was actually beneficial in this case because we're doing everything new anyways. The heating systems are actually entirely different between the upper unit and the lower unit. In the upper unit, we have our standard forced air heating system, and that services the main floor and the second floor. In the basement, we have a gas meter that supports a combination boiler system, basically a boiler and radiators that services the unit of the basement. We're doing everything brand new, so it's a lot easier to get in right now. The other thing, of course, is that these are providing the fuel for the water heaters as well. So the upper unit has its own tankless water heater that supports all the hot water needs for the upper unit. And then in the basement, that boiler system that we're using, it's actually a combination system that also does hot water heating. And so we feel that's a very useful and efficient way to provide heating and hot water to the unit. So this is something that you might want to consider down the road if you were to ever do a purpose-built second suite, but it may be something that you want to consider as well, even on an existing conversion, especially if you may be adding in a garden suite or another third unit later on. All right, so hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to learn more about investing in housing densification and how you can get involved, hit that subscribe button. I put together a beginner's guide and also a handy 8-point checklist that covers everything you need to know about adding a legal second suite. We cover important bylaw and building code requirements for cities in Ontario and all the design considerations you need to make to successfully complete your project. You can download that through the link in the description below. Until next time, to your success.